What is up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to get others to respect you. It's a simple concept, okay? I've released a book and it's called The Injured Body, and it is all about the things in the church and within the body of Christ that need to change in order for it to grow and to be beneficial and to help other people. The link is in the description below. It is available on my Etsy page and it is called The Injured Body. Thank y'all so much. Enjoy the video. Here's the simple concept, and it's something that we learned when we were young, where it says, when we were kids, treat others how you want to be treated. And you also hear the thing, what goes around comes around. I know, that's pretty simple, that's pretty basic, but you see, that's what it's supposed to be. Now, I've had work experience where you have workers that are disrespectful to other workers who are disrespectful to customers. You have customers that are just straight up disrespectful to the whole establishment. You know what I'm saying? Customers who are disrespectful to workers and things along those lines. How you treat people is everything. Now, I know there's people who, I believe in God. I know there's people on here who don't believe in God. People on here believe in the universe. People on here believe in karma. But whatever you believe in, I think we can all agree on the same thing of saying you get back what you put out. Okay? I think we can all agree on that statement right there. I've had work experience, like I said, and not just me, but I know for a fact, that's why on YouTube you see the long list of, like the videos where it talks about the Karens and all that stuff. Rarely do I see videos about Kevins, but I know they're out there. I know you're out there. But, this is an odd generation full of just entitlement, where people just demand stuff, demand to be treated a specific way. They demand to get things. They demand all of these things. And, it's not like in the kind of way that is both respectful, but for lack of better words, I was gonna say assertive, but the kind where it's like, you see those videos was like, you command respect. And that's not about tearing people down, it's about how you carry yourself. Now, a lot of times when you see those videos of like those Karens and things like that, there is one word a lot of times that can summarize those people up, and it's called entitlement. You treat people poorly and then just expect to just get things. You throw temper tantrums and holler and yell at people and then just expect to get things. You see, those are YouTube videos, but those are real life too. These things, they happen. And the thing is, you get out. So you get back what you put out. So when you see those videos where it's like Karens get what they deserve, or you see the videos that say instant karma and things like that, is because it's the concept of what you put out, you get back. It's a very simple concept about how to gain respect. Last summer, I was at a convention in Detroit, okay? Now, I met some people that day. I was going around, I was doing interviews because I was putting together a documentary. And I'm not gonna say who this was, but I went around and I filmed, I did an interview with some people that I met, And, I asked them questions and things like that. And they said they had a YouTube channel. I'm like, all right, cool. I had no idea that the guys I was talking to had a YouTube channel that I think is 1.43 million subscribers high. I'm like, be careful how you treat people, because that can also be a determining factor in opportunities that you get. You got co-workers that are disrespectful to customers, co-workers that are disrespectful to workers, you know what I'm saying? People like that. That determines whether or not you stay working behind a cash register your whole life or graduate from the cash register to doing something that you probably actually want to do. How you treat people is everything. It's everything. You know what I'm saying? Man, this is gonna sound just like, bro, come on, but I'm just gonna say it. I don't care. There is no need to treat people like that. You know, to all the Karens and the Kevins out there, everybody who works behind the counters and stuff like that, hopefully I'm about to say what you guys really want to say to a lot of people. Mine is cussing them out. To all the Karens and Kevins out there is no need to treat people that way. You're yelling and hollering and screaming at people who are just trying to help you. And you're always trying to contact somebody's manager over what? And a lot of times the manager probably come back and even say the same thing. No, sorry, this is the exact same price. You know what I'm saying? How you treat people is everything. It determines what you get back. Yeah, that's really all I'm gonna come on here and say, guys. Listen, I love y'all. If you like what you see, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to me. And also, do not forget that I have a book on my Etsy page, as I've said in the beginning of this video. And yeah, it's called The Injured Body. Also, my art pieces are available on there. Now listen, purchase the art while you can, because there's gonna come times where I have art shows. Those paintings get bought. So yeah, honestly, yeah, feel free to go on my Etsy page, check out my work, you know, check out things like that, my book, all of that, you know? Listen, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.